From the plowing and seeding with knives and axes in primitive societies to the rover endeavors searching on Mars, human civilization has been advancing in breadth, depth, and speed with the continuous evolution and revolution of machinery and equipment. On the prosperous of Xuzhou Jinshanqiao Development Zone, a national economic and technological development zone, XCMG is located, a leading company whose focus is to diligently and tirelessly work to reach new heights in the machinery construction field. With a simple dream of becoming the leading company in foundation engineering machinery, XCMG makes the best use of all available resources and platforms in order to research underground foundation engineering machinery and to create a world-class enterprise integrating R&D, manufacturing, marketing, and services. By extensively absorbing advanced technologies at home and abroad, XCMG has successfully developed the EBZ-135, EBZ-160 and EBZ-200 series of tunnel boring machines, which are best in their class domestically. XCMG tunnel boring machines have compact structures, low center of gravity, and high stability. Powerful driving force to better adapt to the harsh terrestrial environment in the mine. High-flow arc spray system to minimize the generation of dust, fitted with automatic lubrication systems to ensure the timely lubrication of the lubrication points. Imported Sandvik cutting heads to improve cutting ability. All machines feature specially configured electronically controlled PLC and hydraulic systems, including key parts imported from internationally renowned brands. XCMG continues to move forward with a strong momentum and participates in promoting the rapid growth of China, witnessing the rapid progress of culture and civilization. XCMG develops an expansive range of products for use by a variety of customers, e.g. coal mining and subway construction, as well as many other industrial fields with ever-growing possibilities. The company adopts Six Sigma management strategy in production so that every detail is perfect, from designing drawings to the production site and from parts procurement to customer services. Each production features user-friendly designs and a comfortable operating environment. All the products of XCMG have passed the national ISO certification and boast dozens of patents, such as the locking mechanism in the rotary drilling rig, the drive sleeve of the rotary drilling rig, drive stand angle adjustment and support mechanism, etc., as well as tens of provincial and ministerial scientific awards. XCMG pays close attention to delivering timely and effective supporting services and divides into 8 regions all over the country. The 24-hour customer service hotline guarantees an immediate response to service demands and technical support. Abundant support resources provide the best backup, and the Customer Membership Club provides customers with additional valuable services. These services fulfill the customer's needs and they contribute to the improvement of XCMG as well.
成都这边地层比较复杂，上面是5米的鹅卵石，底下是那个泥岩6米的，就是它那个孔深是12米。咱通过这个和厂家这个交流以后，改变这个施工方案，2个多小时完全可以成孔，而且消耗降下来了。对于我们来说，这个利益比较大。我们对这个施工处的280钻机还有这个220钻机非常满意。我们对这个厂家也是比较感谢，因为他们服务啊，还有对我们的维修这一块比较好。
就是11月、12月份吧，他们有几个机子在那打桩，下面的泥岩打不进，就让我们的车过去帮着忙，2个多小时给它搞定。徐工集团这个机子，性能比较稳定。
我们现在在那个武汉到黄石的城际铁路，我们用的是徐工200钻机，这个钻机那个性能特别好。
咱干的是西宝高铁，机子工作效率非常高，中铁一局对咱那个徐工非常认可。
这个品牌确实比较优秀，性价比比较高，
看着机子干活，心里边他妈挺痛快。
From the moment you enter XCMG, you will be welcomed with warmth and enthusiasm. Our philosophy of putting people first has helped us to cultivate a sense of family, making you immediately feel at home. While continuing to dream big, we courageously strive forward. All employees of XCMG are united to work together for the future. Our team has a strong sense of social responsibility, which grows along with the company. Combining an explorer's spirit with insight and experience, XCMG boldly forges ahead. This company has earned its place in history and become a leading engineering machinery manufacturing enterprise. The sun is rising in the east, full of power and grandeur. Greet future glory with great vitality. Change the world, change life. XCMG.